and today we have an incredibly interesting topic. Have you ever thought that an ordinary penny at first glance can be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars? Yes, the 1999 Lincoln cent is not just a coin, but a real treasure for collectors. In this video, I will tell you which specimens are worth looking for, how much they can cost, and how to identify the rare wide AM version that numismatists are literally hunting to find. Expensive 1999 Lincoln cents. In 1999, more than 5 billion of these coins were minted. The Philadelphia Mint, 5.2 billion, the Denver Mint, 6.3 billion. But even among such a quantity, there are rare specimens for which collectors are willing to pay huge amounts of money. Coins in perfect condition, especially with a rich red color and without defects, are highly valued. For example, specimens graded MS67 and higher by PCGS or NGC can bring their owner a solid jackpot. But the real record belongs to a unique Lincoln cent in MS69 red condition. Without a single noticeable defect with a perfect shine, it went at auction for $116,000. Imagine, one small coin and the price is comparable to an elite car. Rare wide AM variant. What is it and how to find it? But that's not all. The most interesting mystery of the 1999 Lincoln cent is the wide AM variant. In most coins of that year, the letters A and M in the word America on the reverse almost merge. However, in the rare wide AM variant, there is a noticeable gap between them. This variant appeared due to a mint error. A stamp intended for collector proofs was accidentally used to mint ordinary coins. That's why wide AM is a real find for numismatists. The cost of this variety can vary from a few dollars for worn specimens to hundreds of dollars for high-grade coins. If you have cents from 1999, be sure to check them under a magnifying glass or microscope. Perhaps you have a real rarity in your hands. Thank you for being with me. Friends, if you like such videos, subscribe to the Coin As channel and turn on notifications so as not to miss new releases. I only tell the most interesting and relevant news from the world of numismatics. Special thanks to my paid subscribers. Your trust and support motivate me to make even more high-quality content. Thank you very much. If you are interested in the world of rare and expensive coins, like and write in the comments what topics you want to see in the next videos. See you in the next release on Coin As.